Hi guys, in today's video, we'll be learning how to customize the design of our post page. So here's how we can do it. On the Wix editor, we're going to go to Pages and Menu and go to our blog pages. Then we're going to select Post. Now click on your post element and go to Settings. In this small window, go to the Design tab. And here you can customize your post pages, navigation design, text style and color, ratings design, tags design, as well as background and buttons. Feel free to customize things however you want to. Once you're happy with your customizations, you can then close this window and click Publish so that the changes you've made will also reflect on your live site. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.